Okay, good morning, guys. When was it morning? It's like 7 in the night. Well, not p.m. 10:44 p.m. Happy New Year's. Tonight at midnight, we are going to celebrate because it's Happy New Year's, of course. It's 2018. So, yeah. Holiday animal. I don't get it. And VIP, of course. Okay, I don't need to say that because I'm stupid. Let's go sit. Oh, shoot, I forgot. But today we will be playing Fast and Famous. I got a lot because I don't know why. So we will probably going to put, let's go see if there's any cool outfits. If there's none, then we'll just put that in the VIP section. Let's go see if there's any cool outfits or any cool, like, animal faces. There's not really hair that looks like animals though. Yeah, okay, okay, whatever. Is there animals? I don't understand. There's like no animals in there. Okay, that's just creepy right there, guys. Right there. It's really creepy. Well, is there outfits? Are there outfits? Holiday outfits or something like that? No, no, no. I don't really think so. That's my lip, by the way. Well, there's none, so we'll have to keep going with this. Oh my god, there's not a lot of seconds left. I'll put kitty cat ears. Guys, I'll admit that the VIP section is not really worth anything. Like, it's not really worth it. So, it's like this one probably. I know what I'm going to do. Is there a kitty cat ears? Yes, right there. Okay, I'll go get a cat, because I'm a cat, you know. Where the freak are the cats, you know. They're over there. I don't even know there's cats. Whatever.
Oh, excuse me.
Let's go get probably like, um, I want a cat, I want a cat. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? A cat, a cat. No. No. Darn it. Welcome everyone to the Fashion Famous show. It's time to vote for the best outfits. It's me, Mario. Hi, hi. Did not have time. Sorry. I should have waited. I'm so stupid. Dean Paul. Oh my god, guys, that's Jake Paul. I'm voting 5. Totally, like 5. That's Jake Paul. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Jake Paul is playing Roblox, guys. Jake Paul's playing Roblox. Holy cow, that should be like my title. Or the thumbnail. Jake Paul! Or second bio. Is playing Roblox. That should be like my son. Jake Paul is playing Roblox. No one of you that. I never told you guys. it a secret code? Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying, but still, hashtag fun, though. No. I wonder why he does that. He has a lot of stupid stuff. He's dumb. Whatever. But he's the my favorite YouTuber because I got merch. Don't believe me? Well, I'm going to get it. Okay, comment. Three commerce is right there. Thinking it's right there. Even says Jake Paul on it. Oh, Jake Paul. He powers and this is status switch. I think he calls it like that. We got that team 10 boy. Yeah, boy. See the back. See the back. You like the back? You like the back? But whatever. Okay, you. I'm gonna vote you a 3. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna vote you a 3. I'm a holiday dear bunny. Oh, you can tell that he has robots. He does not get much we can tell. Shoot, I forgot to vote. Hi, beer. Well. Welcome to your end. Welcome to the end of your life. Yeah. And the winners are. I'm not. Don't cry, don't cry, don't. I'm not there. I'm 6th place. Jake Paul's 3rd place. Jake Paul is 3rd place. Good job, Jake Paul. I'm gonna find him right now. Darn it, I can't because my webcam is right there. Send. Hola, texting me. Hola. I just spoke Spanish. Spanish. I don't know how we said that. I'm on top of the world. Where am I? Oh, Jake Paul. Jake Paul? Well, I forgot to that. By the way, guys, English is not a real language. Because me and my brother go to English school. Our real language is French. I didn't see the theme. What is it? It is going to the beach. Okay, that's gonna be easy. Okay. Going to the beach. Let's just imagine myself. I imagine myself with a ton of hair. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's just imagine myself clearly, like going to the beach. Yep, I got it. I got it. Now I know my hair is purple. It's purple, but I see it. It's not purple in my hair. Not at all. As you can see, it's not purple. Let's do. Where is my baby food that I saw? Ah, there it is. There it is. I saw that in my head. I'm perfect looking. Why not? And I voted, and I saw this also. And then I had a towel. I don't know if there's going to be towels, but still, I still had a towel. I had my, I saw this in my dream, my head. I, please be a pushy snip. Nope, no hats. Okay, let's go in the VIP section and see. Oh, that could be pretty. And I think it's just gonna like show up in front of me. Somehow. Oh well, he's VIP. That girl or boy, whatever. I won. Ah, there it is, right there. Yes, now I'm going to hide so that people don't see me. So that they don't copy. Guys, I look so perfect right now. I'm literally going to win this. I'm going to win this. Beat all of you guys. I'm going to win this. Okay, time's up. Time is up. I'm going to the beach. That does not look at all. I'm going to give you a 1 second because of that hair. Look at that hair. That hair looks cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I actually don't want to lie. Hey, that's me. Look at me. I'm so pretty. You guys got a bump on me. Boy, I'm coming after you. Let's wave and point and cheer and wave and point and cheer and wave and point and cheer and wave and point. VIP, I'm VIP. I'm VIP. Look at that tree. That's like perfect. No, no, no. I'm not. Help me. Help me help you. Oh no. That does not look like going. I'm thinking it's video but for real, like actually. You can see me right there. There's like screen. Pose or not pose. Pose or not pose. Pose or not pose. So guys, we were playing that, and then the last one was Moonstone, and that's in the Sing movie. Now, who's gonna win? I really want to win because I'm gonna win this one. It's me, right? Hey y'all, it's me. But wait, I'm second. I'm second place. Why am I second place? Jake Paul is seventh place. I feel bad for him. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, hope you guys like and subscribe, and even you can actually even just send that post notification or whatever. Post notification bell to see when I upload, and you will get good luck. So goodbye, guys.